So today I got a question from a customer asking about the demolition boxes that I have reproduced, and the question of course was whether the functionality was still there, whether they had the hinge pins, the brackets, and the clasps on them. So I just wanted to make this quick video just to show how they are very similar to the original and how they function like the original does as well. Now, in a reference to it, so as we're talking about these and any of the 3D reproduction parts that I make, I never design them exactly like the original. I always put an Easter egg or 2 or 3 into those parts so that the collector will always be able to tell the difference between the original and my 3D reproduction parts. But for the most part, this is exactly the same, and functionality, fit, if it's a part that needs to be fitted onto it, is going to be the same. And it works the same, just like the original. Of course, one of the reasons why I did this particular one, because this was one of my favorite sets. The demolition or the bomb disposal set was one of my favorites to play with when I was a kid. And of course, that even kept with the pincer arms. So I've also went back and designed the pincer arm, so you can see there the 2 different ones and offered different colors. Anyway, if you have any questions, don't ever hesitate to send me an email. I'll be glad to answer them. In this case, I wanted to shoot a real quick video just so the person who asked that question could see how they actually work before they decide to make a purchase. And of course, if you have any other general comments or stuff that you'd like to talk with us about, send me an email. I'll be glad to respond back either via email or text, private message, or of course, if I need to, I can always make a quick little video of this so you understand what I'm doing here at Be Active Toys a little bit more. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.